Alright friends, today I'm checking out the Feyachi RS29 reflex sight, and this has a tactical 4 reticle sight with red and green illumination. So red dot with 20mm Picatinny rail. As always, this was purchased off of Amazon for about $30. I will leave a link in the description below and you guys can check it out there. When you buy something there from a link I send you, helps out the cause a little bit, so I appreciate that. Anyways, let's get opening. Here we go. Okay, it says it has accurate parallax, corrected and unlimited eye relief, fully adjustable height, brightness, windage, and elevation. There is the little guy right there. This is made out of anodized black matte aluminum painted. So that goes right on your rail there, the mounting. Okay. It has this little silicone cover over the top here. There is that. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's has these Allen wrenches in here for right, left, up and down. It has your reticle on display here on the front, so you can do the crosshairs, you can do the red dot, you can do the circle with a dot, and the kind of the cross between a crosshairs and a circle. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. Maybe I don't know if I can show you guys a demonstration with this, but I'm sure going to try. So what else is in the box here? We got our instructions, and this shows you the battery cover. Dun, dun, dun. Real quick here. Battery mounting, zeroing. Okay, it tells you how to do everything. That's cool. What else we got here? Well, they gave me 2 different Allen wrenches there for your adjusting. Came with a battery. This is a CR2032 lithium 3-volt battery, and also a little cloth for wiping off your sight picture there. All right, I'm going to try to see if I can't get a coin in there, or try to undo this. I want to check this out, and I'd like to give you guys a shot of it if I can. So try to unscrew the top here, if it unscrews, or looks like it does, yeah. Okay, so just the top. Oh, it's already got a battery in there. That's cool. My bad. Now, oops. I guess I'm probably going to have to remove this to get that on there. Don't know if I need to remove anything to turn it on, or nope, it looks like we're all ready to go. Just screw that back on there. Come on, little fella. All right, I'm going to pause this real quick while I get this on there, and we'll be back 1 second. Alright, so I got that on there, and actually got it turned. It came with a battery on, or battery already in there, and I could see a little display there. I'm going to try to show you guys. This is pretty cool, if I can find it right there. So, oops, got to hold it steady. There's the display right there, the green dot, and here I can change it for you guys. Okay, there's just the dot. There's the other one. Sorry, hard to hold this steady here. And there's that round one. Now you can switch the colors also, so I'm going to switch it to, let's see, so the green ones. Right, and now we're going to go to red here. Sorry about this. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. So different brightnesses. Looks like that is green. Okay, so there we go. All right, so see if I can show you guys this on the side here. That's your indicator. Has a little dot there, and then it shows you on red. So turn this counterclockwise, and it has three different. Has 1 through 3 on the red one, and 1 through 3 on green. So that's the brighter it is, and then you adjust which one you want on the front here. So I'll show you the. Let's see. So we're gonna get this one bright here, onto 3 brightness. Oh yeah, that's nice. There was a nice little crosshair out there if you guys can see right there. Okay. And then we have the different ones. So I think I showed you guys the green one already. And this is the red one. So there you have it. That is pretty sweet actually. I want to try to maybe test this out from a distance. So put it on something, and that's what it should be hitting if you have it done right. So pretty sweet actually. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing though, my friends. I think I pretty much covered everything. Like I said, you can adjust this. This is, you have the Allen wrenches for the adjustment, and to put this on your rail there, and mount it on your firearm. So that is pretty cool. I'm liking that little. Seems to be well built. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm pretty excited to do a actual product review on this. Maybe hook it up to a gun or something and see how it works. So thanks for watching this, my friends. Sorry, a little lengthy, but I hope you enjoyed it. And you guys take care out there. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.